Welcome to a fascinating tour through the United Kingdom, a country with a vibrant culture, beautiful scenery, and a rich history. Come along with us as we explore this fascinating nation that has captured the attention of people all over the world. The United Kingdom offers a unique tapestry of experiences that will enthrall you, from the busy streets of London to the majestic scenery of the Scottish Highlands. A sovereign state off the coast of mainland Europe is known as the United Kingdom, or simply the United Kingdom. It is made up of 4 nations: Wales, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and England. The United Kingdom is a fascinating mix of cultures and customs thanks to these regions' individual personalities and allures. With innumerable historic sites that have withstood the test of time, the United Kingdom is a living witness to its ancient past. Let's have a look at best places to visit in United Kingdom. Number 1. London. The world's largest city and the capital of the United Kingdom, London, is a veritable wonderland. Admire Big Ben's magnificence as it stands tall and unwavering as a reminder of the city's long history. Enter the vibrant energy of the city's many neighborhoods by crossing the magnificent Tower Bridge, a work of architecture that spans the River Thames. London is more than just its famous sights. It is a vibrant center of culture that is alive with creativity. Visit world-class institutions where art, history, and invention are combined in enthralling displays, such as the British Museum and the Victoria and Albert Museum. Get lost in the captivating shows of London's renowned West End, where classic plays and musicals are performed night after night. In the midst of the city's bustle, London provides a peaceful retreat into nature. Number 2. Edinburgh. Scotland's capital, Edinburgh, is a charming and historically significant city. Be amazed by the historic Edinburgh Castle, which is positioned top of Castle Rock and serves as a living museum of Scottish history. Explore the renowned Royal Mile, a busy street dotted with historic buildings, charming shops, and energetic street performers. Edinburgh is well known for its booming cultural community and well-known festivals. Experience the vibrant energy of the Edinburgh Festival, where artists from all over the world converge to display their skills in theater, music, dance, and comedy. Discover the spine-tingling excitement of the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo, a breathtaking show of dexterity, music, and tradition set against Edinburgh Castle. Edinburgh is surrounded by spectacular natural beauty in addition to its historic appeal. Number 3. Idyllic England, the Cotswolds. The Cotswolds, an area of outstanding natural beauty, is a quaint getaway that seems like it sprang from a book. Take in the appeal of the honey-colored houses covered with climbing roses, where peace and time have stood still. A variety of charming villages, each with an own personality, may be found in the Cotswolds. Visit Bibbury, a community with charming Arlington Row homes that are mirrored in the serene River Colne and is frequently cited as one of England's most beautiful villages. Stroll over the picturesque bridges that straddle the flowing River Windrush at Bourton-on-the-Water, sometimes referred. Number 4. Medieval York and its Minster. The city of York, which lies in the region of Yorkshire, England, takes you back in time. Admire the magnificent York Minster, a construction feat that took centuries to build. Its tall spires and dexterous stained glass windows are evidence of the skill and commitment of earlier generations. Feel the echoes of medieval life as you stroll through the shamble's winding, narrow lanes studded with beautiful shops and timber-framed houses. The historical landmarks and attractions of York bring the city's medieval history to life. Discover the majestic Clifford's Tower, the ruins of a fortress from the 13th century that provides sweeping views of the city. York has a thriving cultural history. Visit the York Art Gallery or take in an event at the famed Theatre Royal to fully experience the city's thriving arts culture. Number 5. Loch Ness and Inverness. The fabled freshwater lake Loch Ness, which is steeped in mystery, has long captivated travelers and aficionados. While looking for the fabled Loch Ness Monster, sometimes known as Nessie, take in the vastness of the loch's dark waters and let your mind to roam. Discover the tales and traditions that have been passed down through the years as you explore the charming towns that line its beaches. The Highlands provide a playground for those who enjoy being outside and in nature. Take part in walks through breathtaking scenery that includes towering mountains, undulating hills, and gushing waterfalls at every turn. The Highlands' capital city, Inverness, is a historical and scenic gem. View the city and the river Ness from the majestic Inverness Castle, which is positioned high on a hill. Watch boats pass through the locks as you stroll along the Caledonian Canal's beautiful banks.